Hey, TY38, let me tell you something about this vlog, bro. It's unique.
He's the voice of the streets, voice of the community, voice of business, voice of black culture, man. Make sure y'all listen to your boy.
Detail world, what it do, what it do, man. I hope you had a glorious weekend, glorious week, whatever it may be when you see this video, man. But we actually had to start this day, man. We definitely gonna try to start this day off on a good note. Like I said, we got a few appointments today. Weather been kind of shabby, it been raining here and there, so supposed to rain a little later today. But you know me, I'm just dedicated to the process. We headed to our first stop right now. But I just wanted to come in here and drop a quick PSA, man, and let y'all know, regardless if stuff don't go the way you want it to go, just continue with it, man. Don't give up. Don't feel as though you don't see the results that you're looking for. Results take time, man. You know what I mean? And time take effort. So continue putting in that effort, and you're gonna see the results. But I'm headed to the next stop. I got like 4 or 5 cars today. Hopefully I get them all done today with the rain coming in later today and tomorrow. But you know, some people don't really care about that. But like I say, we got a new thing that we're not adding to the channel. We're just gonna be doing on Instagram, and that's gonna be called Quickies, where we just gonna go in places real quick, talk to people. Just a quick 1 minute, you know, let them say what they about, what they doing, la 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 la. We don't wanna hold them up too long. But yeah, man, we're gonna continue doing this, man. I got a couple of more ideas, man. I'm just trying to build up this team. I've been hollering at my man, Right Max. We got some stuff we trying to do together. You know, trying to build this team. So on that note, I'm happy that I'm getting the opportunities in the network to channel my abilities. But on that note, man, remember, stay consistent, stay persistent, stay relentless, stay ambitious, stay courageous, stay determined, stay valiant, man, just diligent, just man, just stay sufficient, efficient, just do what you gotta do, man. And on that note, everything gonna come out, everything gonna fall in place, man. But I'm gonna continue to pay attention to this road, man, because I ain't gonna be able to keep driving and talking to y'all on this camera. So let me focus on this road, and I'm gonna catch y'all at the first stop. Peace. Detail world, what it do, man. We done already made it out here, man. We doing this first car, which is a Nissan Murano, man. We finna go ahead and knock it out. Interior need a good detailing, exterior need a wax, so we gonna go ahead and do what we gotta do. You see, we already got the vacuum out bucket with all our brushes and utensils that we need, all purpose and constant. But yeah, we gonna see it. It's your typical debris, your sticks, your twigs, leaves, hair, pebbles, little human hair, things like that. Gonna make sure we clean these seats, and like always, remember you pull these seats back, man, so you can make sure you get all that debris that's hiding in there. But we gotta make sure you get into the console, cup hole area, monitors, console, dashboard, seats. Under the seats, since these seats got rails, make sure you get in the rails. But yeah, it's the third row seats, so we got a lot of seats to clean. Make sure we wipe down the doors officially, get inside the pockets of the doors, thing like that. So man, you know, we already got the mats out. You know, it's a beautiful day. You know what I mean? Sky clear. Supposed to be a little rainy today,
It
but we
would
don't
turn
care.
into sunshine.
But yeah, man, we're gonna do what we gotta do. I hope you're having a wonderful day, man. If you got kids and they like looking at some cool content, we just dropped some more content for my kids on on Young World TV. They actually just did some more paint cookies, and they did a jelly bean, the nasty jelly bean challenge, which the video didn't last long. They end up throwing up that night, things like that. But we also dropped another episode on True Lounge TV. It's called Being Black in America. It's a 4-part series. First series is just talking about black people in America. Second episode is about entertainment, and we're gonna continue to go from there. But you see it, man. We're gonna go ahead and get it cracking, clean all this dirt debris out, wipe all these seat stains, stuff like that. Then once we say get to the exterior of the car, clean all this dirt. Make sure we get into the wheel well. Make sure we get all the dirt on the side, things like that. But I'm gonna start running my mouth. If you look at the front, also riddled with bugs. They live in one of those areas that is pretty dark back here. But we're gonna go ahead and get it cracking, man. And on that note, like always, do what you gotta do. So I'm gonna do what I gotta do. And if you're not gonna do what you gotta do, I'm gonna make sure I motivated you to help you do what you gotta do. And I need your motivation too, man. Leave a comment, share. You know, just do what you gotta do, man. And we're gonna grow together. So on that note, man, y'all already know it. And I'm gonna catch you in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do, man. We got this Nissan Murano done, man. We got it knocked out, and I keep saying Murano. I think this a Rogue. Let me make sure. No, this is a Pathfinder, so I'm all the way wrong. This is a Nissan Pathfinder. But we got the car knocked out, man. In and out. You remember how dirty it was in the interior. You know what I mean? So we made sure we got all the debris out, cleaned all the doors, made sure we cleaned all the windows. You know, make sure we did it all, man. So we got the whole car knocked out. Finna put the mats back in there. Head to the next stop. I just texted. She says she home right now. So it's gonna probably take me about 15, 20 minutes to get to her house. But we'll go ahead and head there, man. And on that note, like always, do what you gotta do. And y'all already know I'm gonna do what I gotta do. And I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. We done got to the second stop, man. We doing this Cadillac Escalade 600 edition. Don't know what the 600 for, but you know. But we already knocked out the exterior of the car. The car exterior is nice and done. We already in spray wax. They did the windows. Only thing we haven't done yet is tire shine the wheels. But we'll do that after we completely done with the car. But we gonna go ahead and get in here and knock in this interior. Interior not really that bad, but it is. But it ain't, but it is. But typical debris, sticks, twigs, little human hair. You know what I mean? You see it. But we're gonna go in here and get it cracking, man. Make sure we get the car nice and clean. Make sure we vacuum all thoroughly under the seats, around the seats. You know, even with these seats, like I tell you, gotta make sure you always lift up the seats thoroughly to get under the seats, things like that. Get into the doors, get into the pockets, get in this pocket. So there's 3 pockets on each door. So that's you know, a little extra work. Then, you know, all on the panels. You know, so we're gonna get it cracking. Clean the cup holder, wipe down the monitors, things like that, wipe down the dashboard. But I'm gonna go ahead and get it cracking, y'all. So we still got 2 more stops to do. Hopefully it don't rain by then. But other than that, I'm gonna go ahead and get it cracking. And on that note, man, catch you in a minute. Peace. Detail world, what it do, what it do, what it do, man. We didn't finish this last car today. Reason I say it's the last car now because my customer who literally lived right over there, she just canceled because it'll rain tomorrow. And my last stop, she said she's not gonna be there until like 5:30 or 6. Her appointment's at 4. So I'm trying to see where she live at now, but she said she got a nail appointment, a few things. So I'm trying to see what her schedule look like tomorrow. If it don't rain, I'll try to get on tomorrow. But I also got an event to go to. I got invited to a graduation for something about entrepreneurs. So I'm definitely gonna check it out. I'll probably enroll into the class, things like that. But on that note, man, we just knocked out this Cadillac Escalade. Like I showed you the interior of the car, it's already completely done. The exterior of the car is completely done. Since it's raining tomorrow, will not be tire shining the tire. But she don't too much care about tire shine anyway. She just be more worried about clean car, clean interior, clean windows, things like that. But on that note, man, you already know how that go. I'm sweating. Such a beautiful day. Gonna go out here and enjoy it. Go pay a few things, and hopefully I got a little money to do something. But on that note, like always, one love, man. Love yourself. Can't love nobody without loving yourself. And on that note, like always, man, have some gratitude, be grateful, and peace.
Hey, TY38, let me tell you something about this vlog, bro. It's unique.
He's the voice of the streets, voice of the community, voice of business, voice